Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro 12-piece cookware set. It's a beautiful collection, basically all the things that you'll need to really get started cooking in the kitchen. I'll show you some of the pieces, and then I'll talk about some of the features and benefits. This happens to be a really nice size saute pan. You notice it has a wide helper handle on the side and a nice thin profile on the stick handle here. It's also riveted on, as you can see, here, and also on the inside of the pan here. It's really easy to lift and carry, especially with the helper handle. When you have a full load of food in there, it makes it easy to lift and move around. The other thing I'd like to mention is that the inside here, you'll notice it's nice and shiny. It's polished stainless steel. And on the outside, you have a beautiful brushed finish. And on the rim here, you can see it's got a little mirror finish on the top for accent. The other thing about this is that even though it's stainless on the outside and stainless on the inside, its core is aluminum, which is really, really good at conducting heat. So what happens is you'll have great heat distribution from all the way down the side and the complete bottom of the pan. And that way you won't get any hot spots when you're cooking. The other thing here, you'll notice there's some lids. And you get 5 lids with this set. You'll notice it has a nice high arch. That's really good when lifting it off your piece of cookware so that you keep your knuckles away from the top if it's hot. The other thing is you'll notice it has a nice ridge here, and that helps with keeping it really tight on the pan. And that's great, especially if you're doing any kind of cooking where to keep the liquid and the moisture and the nutrients inside. So you get 2 skillets, a saute pan, and also 2 nice saucepans. This larger one actually accommodates a steamer insert, and this is your steamer insert. This is a really great piece. You just put it right here, and then you can put the lid on like so. And what happens is you put your water or broth or whatever you're using to steam your food in the bottom, and then you put your food in here, keep the lid on, and you can steam a really nice piece of fish or Brussels sprouts or any kind of vegetable that you like. So that's really, really handy and an extra nice piece. The other thing that you can do with this steamer insert, if you like, is if you're making a small batch of pasta, you can actually use this to drain ingredients too. I like to use it for that. And then, you know, a stock pot is great to have. You can use it for lots of things such as soups, chilies. You know, I like to use it to make spaghetti sauce myself, and it's a perfect size. It's large enough where you can make some for dinner tonight and have some to save for storage or for later on in the week. The other thing that I like about this cookware is the fact that it's very, very versatile. It can go from your refrigerator right to the stove and then to the table if you like. The other thing I like about it is it goes right into the dishwasher. It can be used to top brown and broil because it's not coated inside. And there you have it, the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro 12-piece cookware set.